In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of manufacturing consent and how it relates to the media. The media has a crucial role in society, providing information, shaping opinions, and holding power accountable. However, over time, concerns have arisen about the media's trustworthiness and their potential for corruption. Manufacturing consent refers to the idea that the media is influenced by various systemic biases and external pressures. This can lead to the spread of propaganda, the shaping of public sentiment, and the manipulation of information. One of the main factors contributing to the corruption of the media is corporate ownership. Media conglomerates own multiple outlets, creating a concentration of power and limiting diverse perspectives. Advertising revenue also plays a significant role, as media organizations rely on it to stay profitable. As a result, they may prioritize advertisers' interests over serving the public with unbiased news. Political influence is another factor that can compromise media integrity. Government officials and politicians may pressure the media to present information in a favorable light. Journalists themselves can also be influenced by their own biases, ideological beliefs, or personal agendas. The 24-hour news cycle and the need for constant content can lead to sensationalism and oversimplification. This tendency can hinder critical thinking and promote emotional responses among audiences. The rise of social media has further complicated the media landscape, blurring the line between verified information and misinformation. Additionally, algorithms and filter bubbles can reinforce people's existing beliefs and limit exposure to diverse perspectives. The impact of all these factors is a media ecosystem that is more prone to misinformation and manipulation. So, how can we navigate this landscape and become more critical consumers of information? It's crucial to seek out a variety of news sources with different perspectives and fact-check the information we encounter. We should also question the motives behind news stories and the sources of information provided. Media literacy education is essential in helping people understand how the media operates and how to analyze it critically. By doing so, we can become more informed citizens and actively participate in a healthy democracy. Thanks for watching. For more book summaries, please subscribe.